You don't need a fancy spa or clinic to harness the power of warmth. With a little intention and the right kind of heat, you can balance hormones, calm digestion, and even melt stress, all from the comfort of your couch. Welcome to the Longevity Path with Dr. Ava, where ancient wisdom meets modern wellness. Today, I'd like to be your guide to emotional balance, longevity, and a body that loves you back. This week, we're continuing the Warm the Core series, and we're going to do it safely, effectively, and in a way that nourishes your mood. Perfect. And gives you a little bit of energy. Why not? When you apply warmth intentionally, you're doing more than just soothing the muscles. You're telling your body that you can soften now. And TCM warmth allows chi to move, it strengthens digestion, and it soothes what we call liver constraint. This is the kind of stuck energy that comes from emotional stress or overgiving. In modern terms, heat helps to switch your body out of fight or flight mode and into rest and digest. And this is all assuming that you don't have an excess of heat in your body, which you may or may not, even if you feel hot. So we'll get to that in another episode. When done right, it helps to regulate cortisol, improve circulation, and ease menstrual or digestive discomfort. Think of it as a warm reboot for your nervous system. Now, not all heat is created equal. We want gentle, penetrating warmth, not surface level or dehydrating heat. Let's talk about your three main options. Moxibustion or mugwort. This is traditionally used in acupuncture to tonify chi and warm the body. You can use moxa sticks. Like we mentioned before, look for the smokeless ones if you're using them indoors. Hold the burning end 2 to 3 inches above the surface, and you can slowly move that in circles. So some good areas to focus on would be around the navel, the low back, or even the bottom of the feet around kidney 1 area. And if you're not sure where that is, I'll post a photo. Now, here's a safety note. Never let the moxa touch your skin. You want to feel warm, not hot. Now, your second option is going to be infrared pads or a lamp. These are wonderful for deeper, steadier warmth, and you can apply them on the same areas like the abdomen, the low back, and your feet. You can use them for about 15 to 30 minutes, and you can do it, after meals or before sleep, or if you start to feel a little bit of achiness in an area. There are so many uses for them. Those are just a few. Now, thirdly, a warm compress or a castor oil pack. And this is great if you prefer a non-electric option. Now you can apply a heated towel or an oil-infused pack over your belly or your low back. And you can do this for about 20 minutes. Not only does it aid digestion, but it helps to calm the mind. Because what else are you going to do while you're sitting there for 20 minutes? Hopefully not overthink. Now, timing and placement of heat does matter. So here's a simple guide. You can do in the morning on your belly to help warm and wake up your digestion. What a great idea. And in the evening, you can do it on the low back or the feet. And this is really going to help relax your nervous system before bed. Now, if you're doing it for cycle support, for premenstrual symptoms, or for menstrual pain, you want to start 1 to 3 days prior to your cycle and applying that heat either to your lower abdomen or your low back, depending on if you get cramping in the front or if you feel it in the back. Okay? And the key is before your cycle starts. Emotionally, warmth also helps with fear, which is a kidney imbalance, and worry, which is a spleen imbalance, overthinking. And these are two of the most common emotions that women carry through winter. So if your spleen were an employee Warmth would be like its holiday bonus. Don't let it burn out before January. Now, don't forget that you being present in the moment really helps to amplify the therapy. Intention really helps your nervous system sync with your physical practice. So you're making that mind body connection so that it's understanding more or a little bit better. So warmth plus mindfulness equals deep healing. As a bonus here, if you tried the last episode's morning ginger and lemon ritual, just try adding a pinch of cinnamon. It warms the spleen, supports circulation. It actually helps to balance your blood sugar as well. And it adds a little emotional comfort to your mornings. So if you tried the morning lemon and ginger, comment below. Let us know how you felt afterwards, after doing it for a week or so, and how it worked for you, if it tasted awful, whatever, all the things. And like and subscribe if you found this helpful. Your warmth is your medicine. You don't have to chase balance. You can breathe it in, one warm moment at a time. Until next time, stay rooted, stay radiant, and beautifully balanced.